Hi, my name is Theta Blackwood with Theorem, and I am here today to just give you a brief tutorial on how to use the Theorem Method. The Theorem Method is just 3 little products that help your hair from root to tip. But we're going to start with the shower. So you just use your normal shampoo and conditioner, and then you are going to use density, and density is either a rinse out, a leave-in, or a hair mask, depending on what kind of hair you have. If you have fine, limp hair, you probably want to try this first as a rinse out conditioner. My hair is fine, but I have a lot of it and it's drier now. So I tried it as a leave-in conditioner and that is beautiful. Just rinse out or try to squeeze out all the water and put it into your hair, either in the shower or out of the shower, and leave it in, okay? If you have really dry hair, coarse hair, and you typically do an overnight mask, then you can use this as an overnight mask. If you want additional moisture, you can just add in a little bit of the sugar pie. So then you've conditioned your hair, maybe your hair's up in a towel, you're putting on your makeup, whatever. Now you're going to, in your wet hair, you're going to use Square Root. So Square Root is a product that is a skin treatment, a scalp treatment, is really going to help your hair stay in the growth phase longer. And it's actually growing hair. I had a little bit of receding here and I'm getting baby hairs. This is incredible. And my husband's trying it too. Anyway, we've seen some amazing results, and the other side benefit, which I haven't seen yet, but we will, I'm sure, is that by using this for up to 4 months, the new hair growth that comes out is actually remelanized. That's kind of crazy, and I'll let you know when that happens, but it's kind of exciting. So then you've got sugar pie. Love the name. Like to say it all day long. Sugar pie is kind of like an oil, but it's not an oil technically, chemically. This is actually going to help your hair with split ends and also to create a barrier to your hair that is hydrophobic. So your hair is actually hydrophilic. That means it absorbs water. That's what makes it absorb the water from the air, which makes the hair frizzy. So this actually helps create a barrier. So if you have a lot of frizz in your hair, first of all, you're going to just squirt this into your hand. You're going to rub it together like this. And I do it on wet hair. I just kind of do this. I do the ends like this, okay? And I style it like normal. And that creates a nice barrier for my hair to not get frizzy. If you have really long curly hair, you want to add, I guess, keep some of the curl in and not have the frizz, then you could take some of this and you can just, pluck it through your curls lightly. If you do it in dry hair, you might see a little bit of, it looks a little greasy for maybe about 20 minutes and then it just soaks into your hair. So it's really an amazing product. I hope that helps you figure out what to do. Yes, you can air dry. Yes, you can heat style. Heat actually helps the bonds in this product even more. So it really strengthens your heat damaged chemically treated hair. Yes, it's safe for color. As a matter of fact, when you use it a lot, even after one use for that matter, your hair is going to be smoother and the color is going to be richer because the hair shaft has now been smoothed. It also helps breakage. So over time, your hair is just going to look better and better. So anyway, that's it. I just wanted to give you a little tutorial and hopefully that helps. Have a great day.